Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 383 from LeetCode. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. Uh, Here I hope it is visible to you. Or guys, if you have any doubt, please do comments and please share my channel, okay? Or subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is the problem 383. Ransom note. Okay, so given two string ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed by using the letter from magazine. Okay, so we are going to construct a ransom note by using magazine. Okay, so here like we have ransom note equals to a and magazine equals to b, so this will give you false. Okay, here in second output you can see, sorry, example, you can see here ransom note equals to a and magazine equals to ab. Okay, so this is also false because we can't construct ransom note by using magazine. Okay, so here you can see I have ransom note equals to a and magazine equals to aav. So with the help of this magazine, okay, or its letter, with the help of letter of magazine we can construct ransom note aa. So this is true. Okay, so here this is the class and this is the function already given, or here I'm going to pass ransom note and magazine, okay, as a parameters. Okay, so both are in string and output in we want output in bool, that is true or false. Okay, so here I'm going to write code. Okay, so approach is count the frequency of each character in magazine. Okay, and for each character in answer node, check if they exist in magazine with the enough count. Okay, if any character is missing, okay, and then return false, otherwise return true. Okay, so here I use counter. Okay, from collection I'm going to import counter, and this is the class and this is the function. Okay, these are the parameter. Okay, this is for output, this will give you output in a true and false. Okay, so here I'm going to count frequency of magazine. Okay, so we have two elements in two letters in magazine, that is a and b. Okay, so here I already said that I'm going to use this example. Okay, so I have in magazine two letters, that is a and b. Okay, a frequency is 2 and b frequency is 1, because a upper 2 time and b upper 1 time here. Okay, so a equals to 2 and b equals to 1. Okay, and ransom note I need a. Okay, here you can see in ransom note I have a, or its frequency is 2. Okay, so here I have a, its frequency is 2, so it is enough letter and it will give you true. Okay, so here I'm going to count the frequency by using frequency is the variable, and here I'm going to use counter, so it will count the frequency of magazine. Okay, magazine, here count the letter in magazine. Okay, this is used to count the letter in a magazine. Okay, I'm going to use loop for ch in ransom note. Okay, so here I'm going to take ch equals to a. Ch equals to a is present in ransom note. Okay, so here I have ch equals to a. ch in ransom note. Okay, so ransom note is this, ch equals to a. Okay, so here I'm going to use loop ch equals to a. Okay, so here after this for loop, okay, it is check the frequency. If frequency of ch is less than equals to 0, okay, like if you don't have frequency that is less than equals to 0. Okay, I need to do, if frequency is less than equals to 0, then it will return false, because we can't do anything with frequency 0 or less than the 0, so I need to return false. Okay, if frequency is greater than 0, then it will return true. Okay, what here I need to check? Mm-mm. Frequency. FERQ frequency of character, CH character, decrease by one. Okay, so use one occurrence. Here I'm going to use one occurrence. Okay, so you can see here I have I need to copy. Okay, I need to remove this space. I got error. Naam ransom note is not defined. Yeah. What is the ransom note? I already defined. Let me check. So here I need to write mm, ransom note and magazine. Ransom note equals to A. And in magazine, what I have? AVA. Okay, so here I need to write AVA. Okay, then I need to run. Okay, so this is class. Okay, and this is the function. I pass random notes and magazine. Random notes equals to A and magazine equals to AV. A. Okay, so with the help of magazine or its letter, we need to create ran, ran, ransom nodes. Okay, so here I'm going to count the frequency of magazine. Okay, so I have a, okay, a count is 2 inside this magazine. Okay, because you can see here a appear 2 times and b appear 1 time, so b frequency is 1. With the help of this line, I am going to use loop for ch in ransom node. Okay, so I'm going to take a equals to ch equals to a, whatever. Then I need to check, is it less than, its frequency is less than equals to 0? No. Okay, so here I use loop 2 time. Okay, ch equals to a, its frequency before 2. Okay, use a. Okay, so now a is 1 and b is 1. Okay, here with the help of this frequency ch before we have 2. Okay, frequency of a is 2. Now we use 1a, so it will become after this line a1 and b1. Okay, again I am going to use loop. Okay, so ch equals to a, again ch equals to a. Okay, again I use a, so it will become 0 and b equals to 1. Okay guys, so here our output is aa, because I subtract aa from magazine, or I got aa from magazine, that this is construct the ransom nodes. Okay, I hope you got it. So use one occurrence. This means we need to use one occurrence. Okay. So this is our output and this is the result that is true. We already created ransom node by using magazine in this code.